In this week's court report, a nationwide bench warrant is issued for Jamie Berkhamshaw, one of the three suspects connected to the theft of property of the late Ray Wolfenstein. Fortunately, Berkhamshaw is now back in custody. During a previously scheduled proceeding in which he was due for sentencing, the defendant's attorney noted that Berkhamshaw was not present, so the court issued a bench warrant in both of Berkhamshaw's cases. Then, during Berkhamshaw's last scheduled proceeding, a bench warrant returned sentencing hearing, the defendant appeared while in custody, and his attorney, David Reichert, requested the matters regarding Berkhamshaw's cases be rescheduled since he has not been able to discuss the matter with his client. The court also noted that a justice court case, which will be bound over, is pending negotiation, so the court continues these matters to November 27th. Berkhamshaw currently has 2 open cases in district court for which he's facing the charges of conspiracy, stolen property, possession of a controlled substance, and possession of a controlled substance with intent. The late Wolfenstein, whose property was stolen, passed away back in January following a plane crash in Oregon. About 12 hours prior to that crash, on the day Wolfenstein died, NCSO arrested 3 people, Kit Ponashill, Matthew O'Connor, and Jamie Berkhamshaw, who are suspected of breaking into Wolfenstein's home. On a prior date, police say Berkhamshaw admitted to using heroin and meth. Ponashill and O'Connor tested positive for meth and morphine, and property with Wolfenstein's name on it was found in the suspect's possession. Neither Ponashill nor O'Connor's cases have been bound over from the lower court. Ponashill currently has 4 open cases in justice court, with charges ranging from stolen property to drug and controlled substance to traffic violations. Ponashill has an active cash bail or bond, $1,000 cash bail, and per the court, if the defendant fails to appear for a scheduled pretrial hearing on November 30th, a no-bail bench warrant will be issued. O'Connor's justice court case has been adjudicated regarding the charge of possession of drug paraphernalia after the court accepted the defendant's guilty plea and negotiations. However, O'Connor does have a status hearing for completion regarding that case scheduled April 12, 2018. Additionally, O'Connor's case is now closed, which formally stipulated the charge of unlawful use of a controlled substance. A sentencing date is now set for Gregory Uribe, the Pahrump man arrested after battery with use of a deadly weapon charges. And his case has now been bound over to district court, where he appeared while in custody, and he made a guilty plea agreement. Uribe pleaded no contest to the formal charges of felon in possession of a firearm and aiming a firearm at a human being. The court accepted said no contest plea and set sentencing for January 26, 2018. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.